Hello guys, hopefully you all will fine as you are watching my YouTube channel Golden South. In this video I am going to discuss about my second lecture which is related to variables. As in first you have learned what are constant as we cannot change the value of constant at runtime. But when we talk about variable, the variable is something that's value changes at random. It is temporary hold location in memory. So first of all you have to open your Visual Studio. Left side there is a new project, click on that. Here is a Windows popped up. Select the Windows Form application in the below section, suggest its relevant name and the location where you want to save the project and click OK. As you are watching, Windows Form is opened. Now take three tools from toolbox, text box, button and a label. Drag its positions after selecting these. So in this project I am going to show how text box value goes into variable of data type string. Data type is something that defines which type of data that a variable can hold. For more information, Google it and then pass the value to a label. Now double click on a button. As in click event coding like this. As you see, I declared the variable x that holds the value of type string. Now it takes the value from text box and shows on label. The variable declaration method is very simple, that first of all you have to define its data type and then its name, and there is a semicolon in the end of every statement. Here the text box value goes into the variable and then the value of variable will go onto the label. Start the project. As you see, the value of the label changes when I change the value of text box. This is through the variable. So if you like my work, then please subscribe my channel and share it. Thanks.